In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste all properties in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding this feature can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button. If you're working on a team project, make sure you're using the correct account associated with your team to ensure you have access to all the necessary files. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage. Here, you'll see all your recent projects and shared team files. Navigate your way to the project you're currently working on. The interface is quite user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating your design files. Now click on the design you want to work with. Opening your design will reveal all the layers and components associated with it. This is where the magic happens. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the different elements in your design. This helps in making effective use of the copy and paste properties feature. With your design open, look for the element or specific layer you want to focus on. Click to highlight this particular layer or object. Doing so not only selects the element, but ensures you're targeting the correct properties you intend to work with. Next, right-click on the highlighted layer or object. In the context menu that appears, you will see an option that says Copy Paste As. It's a feature that allows you to copy not just the aesthetic appearance, but all associated properties of an object, which include styling, effects, and more. From the submenu, select Copy Properties. Without this step, you might only copy the surface level attributes and miss out on the intricate details each element holds. Copying properties means you'll grab all the effects, fills, strokes, and any other applied settings the element has. Once you've copied the properties, navigate to another layer or object where you want to apply these properties. Right click on this new target and once again go to the Copy/Paste As menu. This time you'll be selecting Paste Properties. And with this action, you'll notice that the new element will inherit all those copied properties, instantly transforming its appearance. And there you have it. Simple, efficient, and effective. By mastering this technique, you can maintain consistency across your designs and save a considerable amount of time. Exploring these features will help you become a more efficient designer, allowing for swift modifications without losing detail or consistency across your project. So go ahead, give it a try in your next Figma project, and watch how it simplifies your design process.